that lot of roots. I've never seen that many in all the years I've been alive.
Dad, is that on it?
Yeah, it's on that bloke's head.
Do you want me to take it?
Very good. Please do. So you can say at the start of my 6 weeks holiday, I went to a steam fair, and at the end of my 6 weeks holiday, I paddle boarded across a river in Portugal. Funny. Yeah, they're all big ones, mate.
Yeah, but that was in comparison from that to that one, now moved. Bloody clock on it.
It's got a bloody what on it?
Clock.
That's not a clock, it's how you open the engine to clean out the ends. It's how you clean out the ends, son. It's not a clock. Ruben reckons that's a bloody clock. I suppose to an 11-year-old that does look like a clock.
I don't know what time it is, so...
The engines now are leaving the arena and following that, and then come and have a go.
Hey, I'm YouTubing. it's Dibnah. You spread Dibnahs. There's the steeplejack. It's the one he went through a roundabout in Coventry.